Hey guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Rachel. I am a doctor who does random unboxing videos, occasionally beauty videos, skincare videos, and then occasional random medical musings. One of the biggest things that I like to do on this channel is Fabfitfun videos, and I am in no way sponsored by them. So today is going to be yet another Fabfitfun video because I buy entirely too much from them, but I really do enjoy their stuff. So this was my goodies from one of the many summer sales that they had. Oh my God. They had like an endless summer sale, and then there was another summer sale. This was the one before the endless summer sale. I don't even remember the name of it anymore. I'll have to look it up. But I didn't buy too much. I bought a mystery bundle and then 2 items in it because I had wanted 1 item in Causebox's add-on sales, and it got deleted or refunded to me because they didn't have it. So I got it in the Fabfitfun sale. And yeah, so yeah, that's what this is. This is not the fall add-on stuff. That's coming later whenever that shows up. But yeah, this is like one of those random pop-up sales that they do. And I don't always buy stuff from these random pop-up sales, and I almost never do reviews of these random pop-up sales, but I did buy a few things. So let's just dive into this. This shouldn't be too long of a video to see what I got and go from there. So we'll do the mystery bundle at the very end for those that are interested, but let's just start into it. So the first item I got here was the Bento Classic all-in-one stackable lunch boxes. So back, and I forget which Causebox it is. I'll try to remember and post it up here if I can find it. I got one of these Bento to go, I think it's the same brand, lunch boxes, and I've been using it like crazy at work, especially in the height of the pandemic, because, you know, I just don't always have time to go get lunch. So I'll bring lunch with me and then take my 15 minutes and go hide somewhere and eat it away from people when I take my mask off. So I wanted to get another one of these boxes so that I had 2 of these. But yeah, so this is basically just a little stackable lunch box, and they come with this little little like thing, that strap that goes around it, and then you have basically a 2-compartment bento box. So the top one, I usually put things like grapes and maybe like a little crackers or something, and then that goes on there like this. And then you have your silverware on the second one here. And then this is a little bit different than the one I got from the other company, but basically the same thing. And then you've got your bottom compartment that I usually put like a casserole or something in here. So they talk about your care notes, like how much temperature you can put it through, how to wash it, how to store it, and all that stuff. And then it has kind of just the extra stuff on here. They have a couple of different types, which is kind of cool. But these are handy. And then I figure once my daughter goes back to school, which won't be at least until September because she's doing online, we can send some of her lunch products in here as well. So yeah, this is very similar to the one I got. And then the greatest thing usually about these is that when you're done, you can stack it together like this and put it all together like this, and it makes it extra small so that when you're done, it doesn't make a mess. So that is the first item I got here. I had originally ordered this from a Causebox add-on sale to match my other one, and that one got canceled. So this was the one I found, and actually it was cheaper on the Fabfitfun sale. So that is that item. So definitely one I know I'll use because I already have one. The next item is something I've been eyeing for a while, and I finally just decided to get it because I don't do a lot with my hair right now because I tend to keep it up wet, especially with me wearing scrub caps at work because of the pandemic. And so I'll come home from work, wash my hair, go to bed, it's still wet, it looks messy. I'm lucky if I brush it half the time because nobody sees my hair anymore. So, but I did think for those days that I actually want to make my hair look a little presentable, getting a heated brush would be good. And so this is the Sutra Heat Brush 2.0. This wasn't very much. I feel like this was like 30 bucks in this sale. This is what it looks like. I've had other Sutra products that I really like, so I thought this would be fun and to try out and see with it. So it has like these little plates here, and you're basically supposed to run it through your hair, and it's supposed to straighten your hair out. And then it does have like where you can up and lower the heating on there. So yeah, I think the reviews on this were pretty decent. I'm kind of weary when I get electronics in these sales just because you can't return them. So I try to not spend a fortune on electronics in these sales. They do have little tips on here. It says use on dry brushed hair, brush slowly in a pulling motion and make sure your hair gets deep into the inner area of the brush. And then in order to change the temperature setting from Celsius to Fahrenheit, press and hold the plus and minus button at the same time. That is definitely important. For folks who live in the US, you know, most of us are like, Celsius, what is that? Because we have been raised with Fahrenheit and pretty much everywhere else in the world is Celsius. So I can usually convert pretty good in my head because in medicine we use both. But I know for a lot of folks here in the US, we have a hard time with Celsius and vice versa. So they do have a warranty card you can send in, and then they do have this whole like how-to pamphlet. So that's nice. So those are the two items that I bought. They were well thought out and not like me being silly, random, or frivolous like I usually am in these sales, because I was trying to be better because I've got entirely too much stuff. But I did get a mystery bundle because, you know, I enjoy mystery bundles, and we'll see how this one goes. Now, remember, this is a summer sale. So when I opened this, I was a little kind of not shocked, but it definitely doesn't fit an endless summer sale. Because the first item is the Richer and Poorer over the knee socks. Now, I got these way back in one of my winter Fabfitfuns. It was like 2 years ago. And I was so excited for these, and they were such a miss for me. So maybe these ones will be better because mine didn't match up. They were like both sides were totally different. These are supposed to be one size fits all. And one was longer and the other one was shorter. So it was really disappointing. These actually look like they match up, which is good. That might be the first time that they match up. Now, there's a little bit of extra string here. So the quality is not the greatest, but for once these actually match up. So I'm super excited about that. So these are boot socks basically, and you wear them with big tall boots, and then you can roll over the edge and make it all cute over the top of the boot. I have a lot of long boots, so I was excited about these, but like I said, my last ones were a complete fail and were not long enough. So we'll try these out and see if these were a little bit better. But again, this is not really a summer item. The next item here is the brand plush, and this is the Stay Warm and Stylish. It looks like a hat. Let's get in here. Again, this is an endless summer sale, and it's Texas here, which means that I'm not going to get to use this stuff until probably January. Oh, that does feel nice. Oh, that feels nice. Okay, this feels nice. I'm not going to use this anytime soon, but this feels nice. It's basically just a really nice little beanie cap that I won't be able to use till January. If there weren't a pandemic, and I'm pretty darn sure that we're not going to be able to travel anywhere really easily for the next couple of months, probably through the summer or the winter, I would be more excited because we do a girls' ski trip every year, but I don't think it's going to happen this year. But yeah, I'll save this for when I go on a ski trip again, whenever that happens. But yes, that's that. Okay, next item is one I will probably put in a giveaway or give to a family member. Not because it's a bad product, but again, it's just not one that I use because of my skin type. But it is an exciting one. Again, not a very summery one, but definitely a fall. This is the Spongel Pumpkin Spice. Doesn't smell very pumpkin spicy. Almost smells florally. But anyway, my mom likes these. And other people I know really like these. So I tend to give these away to different people. So I don't completely hate when I get them, but they don't work well for me because they dry my skin out. But they are great if your skin doesn't get dried out for them. And then the final one is Women's Empowerment Deck. 52 Enlightened Daily Messages. Let's open this up. This is... I don't really know if this is something that I would have bought or used, or even if I would give this away, but let's see what this is and we'll go from there. This is an odd mystery bundle. Let's just call it what it is. All right, so this is She made this, the person that made this made it while she was pregnant with her third daughter, and basically it's like an affirmation deck. I guess they're supposed to be things you look at to make you happy. I forgive and release to allow for my own healing. I mean, these are like, it's a nice idea that you like, I guess, have inspirational messages. I just don't know how much I'd use something like this. I enjoy the ups and downs of everyday life, only the present. So maybe I'll try to use this where I look at and I think about that one happy thought for a day, but it's just a really random thing. Like this is, I don't know. I don't know what I'd use this for, but that's okay. Maybe I'll try that. Maybe I'll try to be more positive and inspirational and use this, especially on days that I'm feeling down or tired or overworked or just generally not happy about something. But that is my mystery bundle. Long socks, a fleece hat, a pumpkin spice thing, and a deck of inspirational cards. Definitely a miss for me in Texas in the summer. This is just bizarre. This is something I'm not going to be able to use, so I have to get away. And these are things that I will not be able to use for like 6 months. So for a summer mystery bundle, it was totally a miss. But that's okay. It is what it is. So it's always fun. I usually do a better job, but this was definitely a miss for me. So that is it on that. And yeah, guys, I will see you later. Bye.